Okay, welcome back guys. Today for the charts I'm going to be doing a quick update on the Ethereum just so you can see what's going on. So if you look at the total market, you can see 1.4 trillion currently sitting out. Yesterday we were at 1.5. We've dropped significantly, and if you look carefully you can see that we dropped by 4.32%, and also Bitcoin is kind of following the same pattern as well. So most of the damage is happening on Bitcoin, but I'm going to get to Bitcoin charts on another video, so watch the next video. For this particular one I want to show you Ethereum. Ethereum is taking a little bit more dive. But I'm looking at the discounts and I'm like, okay, we're seeing fantastic discounts, 22%, 5% today. What's going on? From yesterday we were at 1.8, I believe it was 180 billion. Currently we're at 174. So I'm looking at all of those metrics and I'm saying, okay, so what can we do and get up again? I mean, sorry, yesterday we were at I believe we were at 970 or something like that. Anyway, 930, can't remember, I have to see the video again. But the point is we're dropping. It's good. These are discounts. These are all expected, right? So I'm just going to go straight into the charts, and hopefully you guys could see what I saw yesterday. So remember yesterday I drew this line, this yellow line, and this particular line, and I said, drawing the line, it looks undecisive. So when we were down here, I said the market looks undecisive. However, it does look, the pattern mostly looks like a bearish pattern, right? So this is what happened, exactly bearish scenario played out, where the market took a little bit of a dive. But there's actually some good news in this bearish scenario. So again, I'm going to show you on the next video regarding Bitcoin what I'm seeing basically. So if I go here and if I draw a line, what I'm seeing is pretty much a W forming. Now we did briefly, if you look carefully, we did briefly drop below and go to this particular line here, the 1447. And if you know from my previous videos that this line was drawn weeks ago, right? Weeks ago, if not months ago. When we had this line as our resistance. So currently we have dipped below. A few hours ago we did dip below. I mean, what, more than a few hours ago, about 8-9 hours ago anyway, but we did dip below slightly and then we pushed it back up. So the bulls are not letting go of this particular line. This has now become our fort, right? We're holding this line, right? However, the 786 Fibonacci line is also a very important line, and as you can see, it was pushed up and it's kept on that, and currently we're kind of playing around this particular line, and it's a good line to bounce off. So this is one of the reasons why I said what I'm seeing is quite interesting, because I'm seeing that yes, bearish pattern played out, however also a W is playing out. As long as we can stay within this line, the 0876 Fibonacci line, we can potentially see a lovely W playing out. So this line is at 1492. So as long as we can hold the fort at 1492 and then have a rebound, this is actually looking very good. However, sadly, I have to also give you some bad news. Currently, if I say, okay, we invalidate this W, we're not going to bother about looking at it as a W, and we think this is an M, then unfortunately the M could start here and we might have a false breakout, and then we could potentially go below. But we've got two support lines, so I'm quite happy with this. So we've got this particular support line from a previous resistance, and we've also got the Fibonacci as one of our key support lines right now. So just if I just take these lines out, 1 second. So if I just take these two lines out here, just for the sake of it, just take these two lines. Sorry, 1 second. Let's get rid of these two lines here and say, right, we're not going to use those lines anymore. We just want to see something else, and we want to see where the market's going. So currently, if I just take this particular point here and put it down here, we don't have enough data. So unfortunately, I have to be honest with you, whatever I'm going to be drawing now does not make much sense, because we're looking at a shorter time frame. We need a lot more data to actually understand. So when I'm looking at this, I had a lot of data. When I'm looking at this, I had a lot of data. But right now, I don't really have enough data for me to actually get a scenario in place. But I mean, I could roughly just put something like this, but again, there's not enough bodies of candle for me to figure out. So if I just put it here, just for the sake of it, right? So we can see within the next few hours we could potentially break down or break up. That's all I can tell you, right? But ultimately, as I said, if this W plays out, right, so let's get rid of this, and let's get rid of this and still focus on this W. So remember, if this W plays out exactly as we predict here right now today, we're doing a prediction, right? Then yeah, I mean, we could see the market trend reversal and market going up. So other than that, guys, I will be posting the Bitcoin one, so make sure to watch that one. I'm going to keep these videos nice and short, not too much into it, because what I've noticed is on the algorithm, I went ahead and I had a little peek basically, and what I've noticed, majority of the people probably they don't like the content, but they go in and the average watch time is about 2 to 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So I said, okay, you know what, YouTube's shouting and screaming at me, telling me don't make your videos longer than that because that's what your audience wants. So I thought, you know what, okay, if that's what YouTube wants me to do, I'll do it. And also I'm going to be making a few more videos because I've got loads of requests. Somebody wanted a Coinbase tutorial. I'm going to be doing that soon. Somebody wanted a Binance tutorial. I'm also going to be doing that soon. So just watch out for it. I'll do it. I'll make it, and I'll try and see how much I can help. And hopefully these videos will help you in your journey as well. I'm not a financial advisor. Please be advised. And other than that, guys, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you on the next one. The next one's going to be a Bitcoin video I'm going to launch. So watch out for it. It's coming out very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.